Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. We're continuing our search series on the EGW Writings 2 app on my iPad, and today we're going to learn how to use the sort filter. Again, let's click on the little search magnifying glass there in the top right-hand corner, and we're going to search for the word faith. And you can see here that my results are listing the book title, Acts of the Apostles First. That's because this third icon over here, you can see if I tap it, the sort filter, we have enacted the content sequence, which is the alphabetical listing of the book titles from A to Z as our default search sort. But if I want to go and use a different sort filter, so like weighted relevancy, for example, you will notice now that the books are sorted not in the alphabetical listing like they were, but they're sorted more like Google-like. And that is that it looks for the most relative result. And weighted relevancy has a special significance because it weights EGW's books, or Ellen White's books, first, before it will then get to the other listings in other collections. So that's the beauty of the weighted filter that we have here, the weighted relevancy filter. Now, if you want to be true Google-like, you could click on Relevancy and apply. And this time the search results will update, and the results here could include in results from other collections. Now, we've got another sort filter, which is the earliest first. So you can sort chronologically from the earliest book to the latest book. And so if I click on this here, you'll notice that my first result is 1846, because in the title of each search result, in the heading, you can see this is my published date, 1846. And then you come through some here, 1847, 1849. So now we're sorting chronologically from earliest to current. But what if I want to search for books that have just recently been published, back chronologically, reverse chronologically to the earliest date? So I can sort there. And now you can see that it's getting the books up here, 2018. So this is sorting in reverse chronological order all the way down to the earliest books. So that's what Search Filter is in the EGW Writings 2 app. It enables you to sort either through content sequence or through weighted relevancy, or chronological. So sort filters are useful for being able to resort the data quickly into the order that you want to best fit. Now, once you've set that filter, it will remember it for that session. If you want to go back and reset your filter, you'll need to do that before doing a different search. Thank you for tuning in to another tech tip. I hope this search tip has been helpful for you today. Remember, go with God and be blessed.